This is a D10 Smart motor we've installed for a customer here at Ahmad Kaban. And you can see the speed of the motor. It's raining, but we'll be able to install it without any problem. Now we are going to close the gates, and we're using the trigger function of the one button remote, right? When he bought the device, it came with a 2-button remote. We didn't buy it for him, so we are closing it. So we stop the gates, right? So we are going again. Stop it. We are going again. So it's trigger. So we trigger the gates. So it's gotten to the end stop, right? So pedestrian.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay.
So that's where it ends.